Sony WUXGA 6400LM Laser Projector Review. 20,000 hour brightness that never fades. Real proof. Remember that sinking feeling when your projector dies mid-presentation and the whole room goes silent? I once watched a chief executive officer's big pitch flatline because the lamp gave out at the worst possible moment. Total nightmare. You were definitely not alone if you were tired of babysitting old tech. Drop a comment below if you have lived through this horror story. Deadlines breathing down your neck, lights too bright, the image fading like a bad memory, that gut punch frustration when everyone is squinting and you are sweating. What if you could walk in, hit power, and just dominate the room with zero drama? Crisp, punchy, relentless brightness that does not flinch. That is the kind of control you've been craving. Here is the breakthrough. The Sony Wide Ultra Extended Graphics Array 6400 Lumens Laser Projector. This thing delivers 6400 lumens that stay rock solid for 20,000 hours, with no dimming, no lamp swaps, and no excuses. Reality creation upscaling makes even average slides look razor sharp, while the massive lens shift and interchangeable lenses let you nail perfect placement in any awkward room. Edge blending and color matching are unbelievably good for multi-projector walls. Instant on and off means no more waiting like it is 2005. Picture Monica, a senior designer who almost missed a client deadline because her old projector overheated and shut down. She swapped to the Sony mid-crisis, fired it up instantly, and delivered a flawless 200-inch presentation that won the contract. The client actually applauded the image quality. That electric feeling when the tech disappears and you just win? That is this projector every single time. You feel unstoppable. Now watch the benefits stack up. Total focus because the image is so sharp you forget it is projected. Efficiency skyrockets because setup takes minutes instead of hours. Performance stays perfect from day 1 to year 10. A university audiovisual coordinator told me, "We cut service calls by 95% and faculty stopped complaining about dim slides. Pure relief." An integration pro said, "I have installed dozens, 0 failures, 0 callbacks. My reputation thanks Sony." An analyst flat out called it the most reliable 6,000-plus lumen projector on the market. Period. Another corporate information technology director laughed. Our chief financial officer questioned the budget until he saw the 5-year total cost of ownership. Now he wants them everywhere. I have personally run this thing in bright lobbies, sanctuaries filled with stained glass light, even dusty rental halls, and it never flinches. Yes, it is heavier and the lenses are separate, that is professional-grade life, but once it is mounted, you literally forget it exists, except everyone notices how stunning the picture is. See why thousands of creators, churches, and corporations cannot stop talking about it? Tell me below which feature would save your sanity the most. Join the creators, universities, and tech directors already running the Sony Wide Ultra Extended Graphics Array 6400 Lumens and seeing ridiculous reliability with zero babysitting. Real brightness that lasts, real colors that pop, and real peace of mind. If you are ready to ditch lamp anxiety forever and step into presentations that feel effortless, click the link in description right now and check it out for yourself. Thousands have already made the switch and never looked back. Your turn. Let us make your next room look legendary.